Model, 2014 Isuzu D-Max 2.5 4X4 Yukon double cab needs small turbo replacing bargain. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 156,599. MOT, the 25th of April 2025. Engine, 2499 cc Ford JK1 intercooler E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Small turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 4x4 pickup. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,925 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.